Meet God for a day but lose 5 years of your life? You will become the richest person in the world, but the second person who shows up when you click share and more takes a body slam from John Cena? Be in any video game of your choice, but you only have one life, and if you die, you cannot come back? Get a Bugatti, but the second person that you see when you click share and more has to fight Prime Mike Tyson for 1 round? Restart your life from zero, but you won't be able to remember your past life? Get your own private jet, but you have to step on Lego at least 4 times a day?